ain't never been friendly, I'm just here for the cheese. I got motion, and I'm smelling like the back of the way I just left. I got motion, and shout out to me, I went and got it myself.
Several months later.
This my last motherfucking month paying $1,200 for some motherfucking lights. Well, Mr. Washington, the system is fighting so much harder to keep your house cool. Fuck a system! I fight hard every motherfucking day. Come telling me about know how hard a motherfucking system fight. It's supposed to motherfucking fight. Mr. Washington, you ever thought about getting a smaller place? You ever thought about getting some lower motherfucking rates? A motherfucking smaller place. Fuck small. Now I'm on my motherfucking way now. I sleep in my motherfucking cars before I pay y'all $1,200 for some motherfucking lights. Come cut them off. Cut them off. Fuck about this shit. The motherfucking piss me off. Ain't no motherfucking way no light's supposed to be this motherfucking high.